this one. But if we could get both, I'm happy. It's okay if I could get